Experience the breathtaking beauty of Merese Hill, one of Lombok's most iconic viewpoints. From the top, visitors can enjoy panoramic views of turquoise waters, pristine beaches, rolling green hills, and the spectacular southern coastline of Lombok. What makes this view even more unique is the site of the world-famous Mandalika International Street Circuit, creating a stunning contrast between modern motorsport infrastructure and the untouched beauty of nature. The combination of the Mandalika circuit, white sand beaches, and the endless blue ocean makes Merese Hill a truly unforgettable destination.
Lombok info terbaru.
The travel you trust.